Good morning. This is Japanese Economic Review Channel. Today we are looking back at yesterday's market activity from April 7th. It was a day defined by a tug of war between optimism over easing geopolitical tensions and intense caution ahead of this morning's critical deadline. While the session started with high expectations, the looming 9 a.m. JST time limit for the halt in attacks dictated the late-day behavior of many investors. The setup for yesterday began with positive signals from the U.S. markets on April 6th. The Nasdaq's four-day winning streak, led by hardware giants like Seagate and Micron, provided a strong tailwind for Tokyo's opening. Sentiment was further bolstered by reports of a potential U.S.-Iran ceasefire framework. Even as President Trump maintained a firm stance, his comments that negotiations were kept risk appetite alive during the early hours of yesterday's trade. Yesterday, the Nikkei 225 closed at 53,429, up a marginal 15 points. However, the path was anything but steady. After an initial surge of 502 points in the morning, riding the U.S. tech rally, the index faced heavy selling pressure. As the market approached this morning's 9 a.m. deadline for the attack pause, investors moved to de-risk, causing a midday drop of over 250 points before a late session recovery. Despite the intraday swings, 23 of the 33 industry sectors ended yesterday in positive territory. We saw a clear rotation into value and inflation-sensitive stocks. Energy firms like Idemitsu and Ineos, along with major financials like MUFG and SMBC, saw steady gains. On the other hand, the telecom sector, including SoftBank Group and non-ferrous metals, faced selling pressure as capital was reallocated amidst macro uncertainty. The Growth Market 250 Index managed to secure its third consecutive day of gains yesterday. Much like the main board, it opened strong but dipped into negative territory by midday, before recovering by the close. While Trial Holdings and Sanbio showed upward momentum, we saw profit-taking in PowerX and TerraDrone. Additionally, the new IPO, Hito Tohito Holdings, had a quiet debut, opening slightly lower than market expectations. Yesterday also brought several significant corporate announcements. Fast Retailing's GU brand announced a major Pokemon collection, while 7 Bank launched its new ATM window service. In the industrial sector, K-Line moved to fully acquire its wind service subsidiary to bolster its offshore energy operations. These moves highlight that despite the geopolitical noise, Japanese firms remain focused on digital transformation and the green energy transition. Thank you for watching the Japanese Economic Review. We look forward to having you with us again.